Okay, it's time for the third solution, which is no solution. And the pan is already hot. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the flames and start it. Flames are off. And there's the egg. Not much sizzling, not really moving around that much as the others. I'm gonna feel how hard it is. It's pretty hot, but still pretty watery as it came out of the shell. I'm gonna touch it with the spatula. I'll go ahead and break the yolk. Very watery still. Parts of the pan are still hot, but again, the egg is still very watery. Very watery. Can't really flip the egg. And again, with no solution, the egg might stick to the pan, which it looks like it has. Yep, I'm having some trouble flipping this egg, so I guess this would be the results of this try. Again, still very watery. Very hard to flip it, but I'm just going to try and you see what happens. I'm going to end it on that note.